everybody, it's Rebecca, Crafting Journey with Rebecca. Stay tuned to the end of this video because we are going to look at some of the community paintings where people have enhanced them with sparklers, so enjoy. Hi everybody, it's Crafting Journey with Rebecca. What am I doing? Playing with sparklers. I love it. Most of these on this table I got from Tina's Sparklers. I'm going to link down in the description. It's on the right hand side. There's a little down arrow. Press that, go down. You'll see a lot of information, but you'll see how to get to Tina's web page where you can order this stuff. And let me tell you, it adds up quickly, so be careful. It will also link you, I will also put the link to her Facebook group where you can see that people have way more than I do and how they organize them and all of this stuff. Now, I am doing this video after talking with Tina and letting her know that I'm doing this video, and I will probably also post it in her Facebook group. I don't want any angst over this. I'm not selling sparklers by no means. Here's what I'm doing. I had a video, or I did a video Saturday Night Live. I had Brian, Chef Elliott, who just goes gaga over sparklers. He's got way more than I do. And he was a guest on my live, and we were discussing sparklers and numbers and what to put in what painting. I'm doing Cheshire Cat, and we were discussing, you know, should I change the yellow eye and put some sparklers in there? And if I do, which ones? And so we were talking about that, and my sister was in the live. Now, she has just recently started diamond painting. I sent her a few maybe CES deals type diamond paintings. She will not show them to me. She says, oh no, they're terrible. I'm not showing anybody. So I did send her recently a Treasure Studios art round diamond painting for her to try out. It's a dragon, and I think she's going to be blown away. But here's what I'm doing today. She mentioned to me, I had to leave the live. I said, well, why did you leave? And she says, well, I just didn't understand what you and Brian were talking about. I didn't understand what you were mentioning. You know, what is a sparkler? She has no clue what any of this is. So that's the person I'm talking to today. What is all this? What is it? What are we doing with it? And why are we doing it? Well, we're doing it because we love bling. You know, that's obvious. But I thought I'd give a few explanations of the different kinds that you can get. I'm going to show them to you up close. I'm going to tell you what the difference is. That way you don't feel so left out of the conversation if it does come up in someone else's live, or maybe even you decide you might want to use some of this stuff in your paintings. Now, I will tell you, some companies such as Diamond Art Club will send paintings out with special diamonds in it, like Aurora Borealis diamonds. They call them AB drills. These are all, the other name for diamonds is drills. I heard one diamond painter say, I don't drill, I diamond paint. So, okay, but that's fine. I thought that was very funny. But they are called drills anyway. So you can get AB drills in some diamond painting kits that you get, and they will tell you, where they think whoever charted the image thinks they should go. But these, you're kind of free to freestyle. Do what you want, put them where you want. And that's the fun part of it. You get a painting maybe that already has ABs. Okay, you might want to add some more. Or you get a painting that doesn't have any extra bling, and you want to put some in there. So we're going to talk about all of this, the difference between all of this, and I'm going to demonstrate for you where I've done this before, where the companies have done this, and I might even do some for you. How fun is that? Okay, so let's get to it. What is all this? Okay, this is all from Tina, Livingston, Bernie, DP Sparklers. All the information is down in the description. Like I said, so there are original sparklers. So this is the original that came out. They're glass diamonds with an iridescent coating. Now, Tina often says they are ABs on steroids because what an AB is, it's a diamond that has, it's a colored diamond, acrylic diamond with an aurora borealis coating, which is the iridescent coating. So the difference is these are glass, these are acrylic. This has iridescence, this has iridescence, but you're going to see way more sparkle with the glass. But I'm going to put those two next to each other and I'm going to show you. Now, all of this, and this came from Diamond Dots. Diamond Dots has recently come out through Joann's Fabrics, a line of freestyle diamond painting. They don't do squares, so none of these are squares. They're all rounds. These were purchased individually, just some colors I thought I might like. And we'll take a look at those. These were all in a package, just basic colors of acrylic diamonds with aurora borealis coating. They're round. Then this came in a package. These are neon. They're just diamonds that are neon coloring. There's no iridescent coating to them, but could be fun in some kind of painting that you're going to be doing. So I have those. And we'll be taking a look at those as well. Then I have this little box over here, this Harbor Freight box that everybody loves. I need to get this out of here and use my Harbor Freights. I've got Harbor Freights everywhere I look. I see a Harbor Freight. Oh my God. Anyway, what I keep in here is not this painting because I already finished that painting. I keep all of the leftovers from, I did a crystal painting. All the crystals are here. And I want to show you what are not crystals, rhinestones, crystal rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. I have rhinestones here, and I do want to show you the difference between a rhinestone and a sparkler. Here are the rhinestones. We're going to take a closer look at those later. I put the leftover ABs that I get from the different companies. This was the Diamond Art Club leftover AB. I'll put those in here. I also put in here leftover special drills from different pieces that I've done. Here's some, they're just little extras that you may or may not ever find a place for, but that's what I do. I throw them in here. Here's some white ABs that were left over. Just got a little straggler in there that were left over from a Diamond Art Club painting. And yeah, they've got a friend. These are just acrylic with resin, iridescent coating on them. So you never know, you might run out. And then I look in here and see if I have any. Here's some teardrops, just special diamonds. I don't know if you can see those. Wait, hold on. I don't know where I would use those, but this is what I do with all of them. Now, the sparklers I actually keep in a box that I have here, this box. And this poor box is growing. It's too small at this point. But that's where I put this stuff. So I'm going to put this stuff away because we're not really going to focus on this. I may keep one out just to compare it. We'll keep one out. And we'll keep the neon out. But that's where I keep those in here. And then I just kind of throw the rest in. And then if I feel like you can print a form out and check the ones you have. That's what I need to do. So I don't go purchase ones that I already have. And then I don't have to go searching through these when I I'm looking for a particular number, because some of these are numbered. Like this is 5200. It will match the 5200 drills. Sometimes I'm looking for a particular range of colors. See 603 here, 605, and I might want to replace a 604. Who knows, but I need to keep track of that better. And some people, if you look on the Tina's Facebook group, oh my God, people have these really well organized. I don't know where they get the time. Bless them. I just throw them in the box. Okay. So we're going to take a break. I'm going to get some of these into trays so we can take a closer look, get a different camera angle, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We're down at the table. Close up, I've put together several trays of different types of diamonds. These two are the original sparklers, 2.8, 2.5. These are called sparklers for squares. These, the regular original sparklers, are glass with this beautiful coating that gives it a rainbow effect when the light hits it. It's gorgeous. Look at the way that reflects when the light shines on it. The 2.5 is identical. You get that beautiful light reflection, that rainbow, but these will fit into your square paintings and you will not even notice that they are round. But I will tell you a little secret. They will also fit Treasure Studios art paintings, which are 2.5. The drills in the paintings of Treasure Studios Arts are 2.5, and you can use these in the rounds and square paintings. Good to know. The next ones that I have are the jellies. They're not opaque and they're not transparent. They're just kind of somewhere in between. They remind me of those jelly sandals that we used to wear, eons ago. Well, I never had a pair. I was wanting a pair. Look at that pink. They're acrylic with an iridescent coating again, but the pink shows through and they're gorgeous. The next are squares. This is a square acrylic diamond with an iridescent coating, but it's 310. Now, I just wanted to put a 310 out here to show you that you're not getting black. Once you put this down, you're getting that reflection, and it's going to reflect blues and greens. You're not going to get much black. And I have an example of a painting where I did that right here. I have a tree that I did, and you'll see that on the outer edges of that tree, I have used this 310. I think I used a round one in that painting, but these are square. They're available in square and round. Okay, here is another tray that I have put together. Now, what I showed you before was the square AB. This is the 310. It is square. Here I have a couple of examples of, this is a round AB. Again, these are acrylic. They are not it's an opaque diamond with an iridescent coating on it, and this is number 208. Super pretty. I wanted to show you the ABs from Diamond Dots. Again, an opaque acrylic diamond with the iridescent coating that reflects light. So super pretty. Then we have, this is a type called neon. This you can get from Diamond Dots, or you can get them from Tina Sparklers. I'm sure there's other places you can get them, but you would need to use a black light on them and then they would reflect in the dark. But look at those. Look how pretty. They are an opaque diamond with just this gorgeous neon color though. Beautiful. Then we have, and finally, last but not least, are these crystal diamonds. Now they are clear, translucent acrylic diamonds with this silver bottom. See the silver bottoms? There's one. You can get entire paintings with acrylic, with crystal, or you can just replace some of the diamonds with crystals. Super pretty because they're see-through, but they shine very brightly nonetheless. All right, I hope this part helped you. I'm going to put in now some examples of paintings where people have replaced some or all of their painting with one or more of these types of diamonds.